Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome. Today is the nightly news for Thursday, September 28, 2023. These are the news making the headlines. Three men are now in police custody after allegedly involvement in lottery scam trade during a special operation in St. Thomas. Three men were arrested during a joint military operation in St. Thomas on Thursday. Reports are that sometime between the hours of 4 a.m. and 9 a.m., law enforcement officers carried out a set of raids in the Bad Police area. In the first raid, one man identified as Colin Ramiki, OC Brasilia, aged 29 years old, unemployed resident of Ginger Hill Bath in St. Thomas, who is said to be involved in the illicit lottery scam trade. A search was conducted of his one-bedroom dwelling. Nothing of probative value was found. One laptop and two cell phones were found in the bedroom. The police said that the items could not be analyzed because Ramiki refused to give them the password. One Toyota Crown motor car was seized. Ramiki states that the car doesn't belong to him, but the key was found in his possession. In the second raid at Jermaine Dixon O.C. Leachin's house, aged 28 years old party promoter of Ginger Hill Bath in St. Thomas, he was seen and a search was conducted of his dwelling, as well as an on-site analysis was done of his cell phone, the police said. During the search, various overseas call-in applications were seen, with dial call as well as files populated with names, addresses, and telephone numbers of persons believed to be residing overseas. Dixon was arrested and charged for the offense of possession of identity information. One white Mark X motor car was seized in Dixon's possession. This was seized under the Proceeds of Crime Act. The third raid was conducted at Sean McDowell's house, OC Subaru, aged 33 years old, welder of Ginger Hill Bath in St. Thomas. A search was conducted of his dwelling as well as an on-site analysis of his cell phone, during which overseas calling applications were seen and files populated with names, addresses, and telephone numbers of persons believed to live overseas. He was arrested and charged for the possession of identity information. One black Mark X motor car was found in McDowell's possession was seized under the Proceeds of Crime Act. Continuing the news, medic cell phone pinged from tower in Linstead. Criminal investigators have revealed that the cell phone owned by Stephanie Medic Williams last pinged from a cell tower in Linstead, St. Catherine, not long before her disappearance over a month ago. The police are following up on leads in Linstead, but there are no concrete proof of anything yet. We are also trying to get information on the vehicle that came to pick her up from her apartment, but there is nothing yet, the police source informed. Today, September 28, marked the 5th week since the dancehall artist was reported missing. According to police, the 29-year-old Stephanie Williams was last seen wearing a black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and about 5 feet 7 inches tall. Anyone with information can call 311, and if information leads to her safe return, there will be a $1 million reward. Old Harbor most wanted man, Fry Eye, shot and succumbed to his injuries by the police. A man said to be a person of interest in relation to a case of murder was allegedly shot and killed by the police during a confrontation in Old Harbor, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. He has been identified as 26-year-old Daniel Farquharson, or Fry Eye, of a Old Harbor address. It is reported that at around 6 a.m., a team of police personnel from the St. Catherine South Police Division went to the home of the now deceased on a targeted raid. It is further reported that when the team entered the house, Farquharson opened gunfire at them. The police then took evasive action and returned the fire, and he was hit during the shootout. A woman who is believed to have been in the house at the time of the shooting was also shot in her leg. They were both rushed to hospital where Ferguson succumbed to his injuries and the woman admitted. 2 illegal firearms were seized during the operation. A .22 revolver and a Glock pistol were also recovered from the scene along with some rounds of ammunition. The Independent Commission of Investigation has since launched a probe into the matter. Nicaraguans held on boat in Jamaica with Ganja. 4 men from Nicaragua were arrested on Wednesday morning and taken into custody by members of the security force following the seizure of a large quantity of ganja on a boat off the coast of St. Elizabeth. According to police, the Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard intercepted the boat around midnight 4 miles off the coast of Jamaica. Head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, Senior Superintendent Coleridge Minto, said that the vessel and its occupants were escorted to the pier in Black River. The boat was searched and the contraband was reportedly found in several large bags on it.
Sometime around midnight, the JDF Coast Guard at Black River intercepted a vessel about 4 miles out at sea. The search of the vessel revealed that 4 men were on board. They identified themselves as persons from Nicaragua. The vessel and the men were escorted to this pier right at Black River. A further search of the vessel by the police revealed several bags containing vegetable matter resembling ganja. The Area 3 narcotics team was contacted, and they're currently on the location along with the scenes of crime. They're processing the area. The 4 men, believed to be from Nicaragua, were arrested and taken to the Black River CID, where the investigation will be further expanded.
Operatives from the Area 3 narcotics teams and the scene of crime were called to process the evidence. Continuing the news, residents in Craws and Cat are still trying to come to terms with the quadruple murder which has left the whole entire community in shock. Describing the quadruple murder in Crawl, Riversdale area of St. Catherine as a streak of horror, something from a movie, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine North Eastern, Carencia Morrison, says that the question on everybody's mind is what could have caused the act of savagery. Speaking in the community after the gruesome gun attack in the wee hours of Tuesday morning, the MP said that residents are unaccustomed to this level of crime and brutality.
The residents of Crawl, Riversdale, they woke up to horrifying news that members of their community died. 3 women, 1 man, and we are hearing that the children were sent out of the house. The residents here are unaccustomed to this level of crime, to this level of brutality. This is savagery. This does not represent the community of Crawl. It doesn't represent the community of Riversdale. It doesn't represent Northeastern St. Catherine. You look at these people, this is not who they are. Humble people, hardworking people. And we do not want incidents like this to characterize Riversdale and to characterize Crawl. Many of the constituents here, they have been living here for 20 or more years, some 50, 60 years, all their life. And never before have they seen anything to this magnitude.
I am very sad to know what happened this morning. Because Miss Brown and our friend, every funeral Miss Brown go. We have Miss Brown eat and drink laugh. She go between Prophecy Church and Baptist Church in a Bagwalk. And me is a member of the Prophecy Church. So we meet very often. And she's a very nice lady. Me no know not her daughter drive past. I'm feeling no more. She always driving her car as a teacher pass. But me know Miss Brown is a nice church lady and a good community person. Was teaching at Berwick Primary School. She teach my daughter. So I know her for years.
Bad still, no. Bad. But you have those, we don't know what going on. It's bigger on it's bigger on the community. I thought this happening in the community. It's bigger on the community. So you have to just see what going on. The first husband, we are my good friends still. The first husband. And Desta. The children name father. I with general still, but him dead first. We find out next month, so we don't know what going on. Him dead last week, him dead Friday. Sick and dead. Friday. At 5 dead. No, Friday in bed and I said was. Then come find him dead in the house. Friday gone, you know.
So our constituents, they are saying that this is bigger than the community. This is bigger than Crawl. Bigger than anything they've ever seen, and they don't know if they can handle this. We are told that 5 children were in the house. Told the children to pack clothes and to get out of the house. This is the stuff that horror movies are made of. Someone would say, you can't make this up, except that we are in Riversdale, we are in Crawl, we are here with the community, and indeed, it has happened. Everybody is now wondering what could have caused this. And I'm also going to use this floor to say effective policing is going to take close interaction with the community, where we don't stereotype Riversdale Crawl now to become this place like it's Badman place or is a murder town, because it is not. And so we are supporting the police. We are encouraging the police to really target this one, to know where it is coming from, to speak or to target those who are involved, and not that the entire community is going to feel the effect, right, of what has happened.
The police have not yet established a motive for the killings. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.